One, two, 1, 2. Hi there. Hello, people. Hello, traders. I was just listening to a podcast and I was laughing my ass off. In a way, not saying anything myself, but I just heard people say hi in a certain podcast and they said, hello, people. Hello, Polish people, and hello, all the normal people. Which is funny in a way, you know? But hello, everybody. Hope we're good today. Wednesday is here, and holy... Both sides of the market are being taken away from us. It's normal. Hello, hope you're good. Dollar index is doing what we all hoped for. Buy side is taken. Push away from it. Attacking sell side right now. I wish there would be a possibility of entering this, but it looks like it's gonna run through this without much retracement in mind. So yeah, I've been watching this going lower for the last 2 hours or so, and exactly the same we have here on Euro. Daily levels are holding in the price. Very nice push lower throughout Monday and Tuesday. We're bouncing away from this now, and we have a hourly inversion right here, just simply allowing the market to continue higher now, which is awesome. I'm not in this move though, sadly. Too bad, but I'm not. I missed out on this entry. There was a fair value gap, daily order block, 740, 730, 745, something around that time. Sadly missed out on it, and now it's just been rallying without me. GBP USD exactly the same, and I'm literally opening up. I am opening up indices right away because there's a lot that interests me. So let me open up my chart full on. Put the camera a little bit better place. Yeah. Again, say that I hope you guys are doing good. Hope that you guys are doing all right. And let's dive in. So daily. Sadly, and you didn't do what I wanted it kind of push for. We created an SMT here at the top yesterday. See, higher highs on ES, lower lows on NQ. In my honest opinion now, because of this, I'm gonna be possibly watching for higher prices, because going above this is breaking the structure for a possible new all-time high. Like, I hate myself for that when I say it out loud, but that's what we're gonna have to be watching, because this push to the downside, not possible to participate in this. First thing, if you are in a trade, like, good job gambling this out. Right? Massive opening gap, which is good. Something that we can usually work with. And now I'm just watching sell side that was taken. We're trading at a hourly fair value gap, right? So I'll take this away. Hourly fair value gap, yeah. We're waiting for ES to take sell side away from the market. No. Which would be cool. Which would allow the markets to get in sync as well. Yeah. And I'm just watching the chart if there's any good targets besides the new day opening gap. Like, that gap is insane. I'm just okay. Here we go. Look at this. I'll mark that out. That should go on your chart as well. Bam. In Q, similar situation, but we have an hourly fair value gap, so I'm gonna be watching this closely as well. Yeah. 15. So 5 minutes, double top, we're good. I'm saying it out loud already. I haven't even watched this for long enough. I'm looking for higher prices. When? I have no fucking idea yet. But that's what I'm watching now. Are we happy with the low of the week? Booking in on Thursday. SMT possibly as well. More than happy. More than happy. That's what I'm gonna be considering now. This market maker sell model, yeah. But it's not letting us jump into this at all. But now we're simple. And we have an SMT, so we're gonna be watching. What would be cool? So I'm trying to say what I am expecting in the next 3 hours. Not even 1 hour, 3 hours. Imagine a fair value gap opens up here. Because this hour at 10 a.m. closes where it is. Wherever. Let's say the opening will be that big. 10 through 11, I'd love to see the market going through it. 11 closing above it. 11 to 12, we enter a trade. I'm talking about 3 hours up in front of us. That would be cool. That would be cool. We're going to receive that? Be my guest. We're starting early today. It's 4 o'clock only in my country, which is what, 9 in the morning in New York time. Markets are opening only in half an hour from now, so we're gonna stay here for a while, guys, and I'm freezing. No more AC for me. So would I like to see another run past this? I'm kind of saying it out loud. I'm asking myself a question now. Can't say. But yeah, so 15 minutes, that's dollar index. So I'm gonna put this at alert. If it retraces 50% level of the dealing range itself, let's go. I'm looking for a short here myself. I'd love to see that, but I think there's no chances of getting anything similar like that because it's just been running and running and running, right? And I'm not saying I was distracted today. I wasn't. I was very much watching the charts a lot today. But at the same time, I have no trades open today. 0. And there were setups that I kind of like. Not on indices, on forex itself. Indices, yikes. Not expecting anything good to happen today. Saying it out loud, guys. Nothing good is gonna happen today. If it does, lucky us. We're gonna capitalize on that and we're gonna leave. You know? We're gonna let it go. Let it rip without us. Order block. Alright. I like the possibility of this. Not saying that I'm gonna enter this. We have news in 30 minutes from now. I'm not entering this, but this is an interesting place. Eval, maybe? I have quite a few eval accounts, huh? Let's see. Tradingview.com. Because I have my main account set up in front of you guys, so I don't want to be bothered to switch around. I'll know this. 5, 4, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Why not? Maybe as low as this. Gonna be interesting to see. Dollar is ripping. Aye. The dangerous part about this is the fact that the dollar is crashing and indices are crashing together. And that just frustrates me. Opening my copier. Let's take a look. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Account 90. Let's see. Account 90. Exactly. I'm gonna go for an eval. And we're gonna place a limit order. There we go. Limit placed. I placed this on my eval. I like this. I like order blocks forming like this in the very bottom of the range. Like I like that. Do we have an optimal trade entry? Nah. So that will be an issue. I'm saying it out loud because I'm putting it to my notes. If I fail here, optimal trade entry is the issue why I'm not successful with this trade. Yeah? Hello Thomas. I'm good. I'm always good. When I was Batman, tell me. We've been doing this for 6 months, for half a fucking year now. When was I in a bad mood? I'm a weird guy. Now when I think of that, I'm a weird person. When I was in a bad mood, man, I come here, I show up. I'll say something a lot. After 3 losses, bro. Oh, that's good. That influences me. I'll give it to you. That does influence me. I'll give it to you. But otherwise, always in a good mood. There's nothing to worry about, man. At the same time, I feel weird now saying this because like not a lot of people are designed that way. But it is what it is. I like this order. Not sure if I like as much as I would take it on a live account. Thus, I'm gonna skip it on the live account, but I'm definitely gonna take it on an eval if it gives it to me. If the market says, okay, hi, take me in. If it does, awesome. Doesn't, awesome too. I'm happy with it. Fine by me. How come? How come there's nothing to worry about? Or how come I'm always in a good mood? I can go through both, right? How come there's nothing to worry about? Because there is nothing to worry about. Like, what is there to worry about, man? I don't know. I work on my ass off to be healthy, so I'm healthy. I work my ass off to have money, so I have money. I very much try to spend as much of an effort and time together with my family so I can be happy. Yeah, simple. I have nothing to worry about. War, COVID, whatever happening around me, I don't give two fucks about it, man. I'm good, you know? And how come what else? How come I don't worry about things, or how come about what? I just lost the train of thought. Now I feel weird, man. I lost it somewhere. I don't know where. Maybe it will come back. Meanwhile, since we're waiting for the market to open up and we're waiting for the news to release, I want to check a few things with you. My friend just sent me a few crypto coins he wants me to take a look at. So I'm gonna do that. If you don't mind going through a few crypto coins with me. Hope you don't, right? If you do, let me know. I hope you don't. I'm scared. Yeah. Okay. Let's check. What do we have? So, dude, like, what we have to realize now is that I have no fucking clue about any single crypto coin. Bitcoin, Ethereum, those are only names for me. Aave, I've seen it before, but literally I'm saying it all. First time ever I'm gonna watch this. I've never done this before, man. So, what do I even check? Tether? Tethers. Oh, you're gonna laugh at me. Well, let's go just one by one. I don't know. My friend asked for an opinion on my end. Sell side taken. This is what. Look, now we're gonna see the me at the best. Let's say in terms of what I do. And he's looking to long them, right? There's no shorts in crypto, is there? I don't know. Up until the point that 70s are taken, I'm not touching Avi. That's what I'm thinking. Because still sell side remains open. Because now this sell side was taken, right? Sell side resting below, taken. Buy side resting above, taken. So we're done. We're at equilibrium. The market is happy now. So not touching Aave. That's my analysis. Then the next coin is LDO. The fuck is that? Perpetual contract. What the fuck is that? Let's try buying it. I don't win. Oh, this immediately. Where does your eyesight go to? Double bottom taken, right? And this this is good. We have a daily inversion, right? This looks good. I like this. I'm saying let's go to this one. I don't know. This looks juicy right here. 50 fucking percent. What? Okay. I'm gonna put $100 later today on this one, man. I'm putting $100 on this one. I'm being honest with you guys. I'm gonna send you my order. $100. Huh? Whatever this is, I have no fucking idea what this is. LDO or USDT. You guys judge this yourselves. Then, what do we have? We have Uni. Uniswap is like some kind of place where you can convert tokens and stuff like that, right? KuCoin, Bitstamp, Coinbase. Doesn't matter, does it? Yuck. 3 drives pattern. Pump, pump, pump. Crash. That's cool. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Liquidity resting below. Like this one, I'm not touching this. Sell side is remaining open. The market just came down here, so but I would consider this. I would consider that only. Otherwise, I'm not interested in this. If I would buy into this, I would be watching this right now as well. 50% level of this wick. If the market starts closing, that I'm not saying wicking, but closes below it, danger zone, okay? And the next coin is AB UNLDO MKR. Yes. Oh, here we go. This is more reasonable. Have a weekly. Here we go. Weekly fair value gap as well. Weekly order block. This is a weekly order block. I'm buying into this as well. So I'm gonna make 2 orders today. Daily inversion. This is cool. A bit late, but there's no entry otherwise here, is there? I don't know. But why I like this, because this is a double bottom that is taken. Sell side. Bam. Run through. So now, up until the point this order block holds in the price, this is bullish. I'm becoming a crypto trader now. Any other coin, guys, that you want me to analyze? Happy to do it. Happy to do it. Pam pam pam. Pam 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 pam. Today is the 24th. Today is the 24th. Yeah. I'm gonna say, I literally recorded what I just said here, and I'm gonna send these to my friend. I'm done with it. Okay. Just send the analysis to him. He can make a decision now. Fun stuff. Fun stuff. Coming back to it. It's good to do it. Fuck me, this is... I think this is the top then. Am I gonna short this? Nope. Thank you. Am I gonna long this? Danger, danger, danger. I'm not sure, man. I'm not certain just yet. We'll see. We'll see what I do here, but I'm considering. I'm considering it. Why not? But only on the eval. No real trades for nothing. No, thank you. Exactly this. This is exactly why. Now that optimal trade entry looks a lot better. Maybe another push to the upside, that like this. You see what I mean? 15 minutes inversion. Oh, wait. We're gonna play the nice waiting game with this, okay? We're gonna wait for the market to show its hand. How nice of us. Markets are opening in 7 minutes, so the market open is coming through. After that, we're gonna be hit with the news at what is it at 9:45. Correct me if I'm wrong. Forex Factory. Funny that I'm checking the economic news calendar on forexfactory.com, even though I'm not looking to trade forex. Yeah. 9:45. What does my FX book say? Dude, I don't have an account with my FX book, so I have to like not sign in, but I have to do the filters every single time. My FX book has news at 10 a.m. as well. So we're not touching this up until that point. Oh, this makes my life easy. Very easy. So this order block that we're watching right now might allow the market to push higher. I'm not saying no to this. Watching it closely. I have an order on my eval account as well now. $40 on an eval. Fun stuff. But yeah. With evals, dude, like with I played a very simple game with evaluation accounts. I literally just push the button every single time I see an opening. If I know that, okay, it's few prerequisites. Just 1 second. What are the prerequisites for me to push that button on an eval account, right? It's not that I'm... Okay, how to explain? Let me give it this a chance, right? The most dangerous part about trading when you start learning ICT concepts, any other concepts, is pressing the button every single fucking time when you see a model panning out. That's dangerous. That can kill your account any time. Because This panning out, order block, right? Sell side being taken, value gap opening up. It's all good, it's all cool. I'm not saying no to this. But this doesn't call for an entry. Why? Because you need a lot of things to happen, to pan out, to correlate one with another before you push that button. First thing first, where's the market actually going? Where's the drawn liquidity? Well, my hourly chart, we see a double top up there. I like the liquidity on 15 minutes chart as well. I'm looking for higher prices overall, right? What else do I see? I need sell side or buy side. I need liquidity in general to be taken, right? Liquidity was taken. That's good enough. Is it? You decide, but at the same time, not only that, have an SMT. ES fails to take sell side when NQ creates a lower low on a daily chart. Brilliant. That indicates strength. On ES, we're looking for a buy entry on one or another, right? I gave you a lot of things that have to work out before you enter the trade itself, right? Because the setup itself, if you consider removing everything here, remove everything, do this. Remove, not indicators, fuck me. Remove drawings. See price. On paper, you see an order block. Why is this an order block? Two reasons. Because that down close candle took sell side resting below here, right? And it opened up an imbalance right after. So this is an order block. We're good. Do you buy every single order block like this? No, you don't. If you do, you're blowing your account. If you do, you come back to Discord afterwards, or you tell me that, listen, I just lost 15 trades in a row. Why? Because they're just clicking a button every time you see something. Every single time you see a model. This is not a model. This is just an entry step. Model consists of a lot of things panning out before the entry is taken. First question you have to ask yourself, where is the market actually going? I hope I know where it is going. I hope I do. If I don't, I'm gonna get killed here. I hope I do. And with the market opening up, I'm gonna test my luck. This is dollar index. Looks exactly like Nasdaq, which is freaking me out. Shouldn't be like that. I'm not that certain of the position that I'm taking. But I'm not even going to lower time frames. Like, there's no need for me to watch lower than this. I'm not gonna get much out of it. I'd love to see the swing low forming, which would be cool. Swing low meaning this will be a little bit of ugliness, but what is a swing low? Swing low is right. Again, remove drawings. Swing low is exactly this. 3 candle formation, where a candle wicks through and makes a turn. So what we're hoping now for the next 3 minutes, to close above 925 opening, just like this. Created a lower low. We're looking for this to create a higher low. Close above here is perfect. Good. That creates a swing low. 3 candles formation. Push to the upside. Then I'm happy. And I just had a very hard time explaining what is a swing low. Don't even know how to say this. This is a swing low though. Oh, it sounds weird when I say that. So, outside taken, SMD hopefully will get confirmed. Right? So what do we see next? 5 minutes, 4, 3. Ay, too deep. Just go. Come with me. And order killed. Bam! Order block. Still holding in the price, which is. Do I have anything? So the problem here, we have a balanced price range. Right down here. It kind of says, I don't care. I'm just gonna let the market lower. Which is alright. It's creating another SMT. Yeah. For the market open. Let's see if this 5 minute comes back into the range. Would be nice. Would be alright. It doesn't. I won't mind. Also taken. So no more SMTs at the daily chart. Can it just continuously run? Yes. Definite yes. Is this a yes to run lower in terms of me putting all my life on this? Nope. I hate the fact that dollar and indices are trading it. What? If we're gonna run lower, we're gonna have a day where I possibly don't even participate. Haven't done this in a while, but I'm saying it out loud. If you continuously keyword manipulate lower, this is pure manipulation. A lot of liquidity is being built as buy side resting up. We'll see. So far, observing, right? We're gonna do some waiting. Can't be certain of anything happening in front of me up until the point that the news is getting released. Huh? Can't. Gotta give it a little bit of time. Gotta allow it to run without us. If it runs lower, it runs. Don't care. Okay, I do. I would love to participate in that. I would love that. At the same time, it is what it is. Can easily just get lower. Easy. This will be a fun day. 600 handles, man. Holy. Like, what? Crazy, man. Holy crazy. News in 5 minutes, so I'm keeping my hopes up. I'm staying excited. Why not? I'm very closely watching this 5-minute fair value gap on ES now. This getting inverted would make me very happy. We're getting a lot more structure offered on the ES compared to EQ. Good also. Nice. I like that. We have a lot to go before we're gonna be able to enter anything here, but fine. Bum. We're starting our journey with a new broker, with a new trading setup, with a whole new shebang in terms of us copy trading, us working the markets together and so on. And it's a fun period. We're trying to figure out the spreads, the setup on the brokerage account itself. So, whole thing. Um. mm, 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 mm. So. Oh yeah. Oh Ram, hi man. Let's punish the markets. Punish. That's it. I remember what you told me about. We're gonna get there, man. We're gonna get to it. Gonna be a fun ride, fun story. Oh yeah. I'm literally waiting. This is last 15 minutes is boring. We waited for the market to open up, right? We did the analysis. We're looking for higher prices. 19775.5. That's my only interest. Right? That's my only interest. We manipulated lower. Accumulation. Manipulation. Hopefully, I hope this is the manipulation stage, because if we don't push higher from here, I have nothing to do in this. Sadly. So let's see. News. I'd love to see the market going higher now. I would love that, man. We don't. It's cool. But I would love that. You know, but you know, who am I to wish for something like that? Who am I? Bum bum bum. Here we go. So this 5 minutes inversion happens. I'm going with it. Like I'm gonna be happy with this. 5 handle stop loss. Cool enough. Good enough. Right? Be alright. So we might get the trade if we invert this. Next, what? 4 minutes. I want the market to push through it. If we do, and we close above this. So if we close above 5545, I'm considering a buy here. Something a lot like this. We'll see. We'll see. Gotta wait a little bit. It's nicely digging deeper now. Right? And I can't get like looking at the daily, I totally understand what the market is looking to do. Throwing liquidity, resting below, like cool, fine. I'm not able to participate in this. Like, I would love that. I can't. I want this to get tagged. I want the move to be healthy and not just run like it's running without us right now. So I'll keep on waiting. I have patience. You know me. I have a lot of patience with this. I have a lot of patience. And Q we're probably not gonna touch. We'll see, but probably not. Volume imbalance, right? So let's see. We want to see the market breaking the structure slowly, step by step by step, right? It doesn't have to be sudden. We're happy to let it do its work in like a slow, sophisticated manner. Just call the market sophisticated, hopefully. If this is sophisticated, if it has manners, if the market is a gentleman, we're looking for this to be broken. And we're looking for the market to find support right after, to continuously go higher. That would be great. That would be awesome. My issue now, very simple. Like, if I can open 4 charts. Let's even do 5. Can we do 5? 1. I can't see. Ah, fuck. I need to upgrade. Fuck. I don't care. Okay, let's do it this way. Euro. GU. Here. Right? Watch this. Very simplest analysis in terms of why I'm not participating in anything just yet. Markets, 4 markets that are supposed to be correlating and moving against US dollar. So if US dollar moves higher, these 4 markets are supposedly moving lower. This, if US dollar goes higher, these markets are supposed to move lower. ES moving lower, NQ moving lower. Why the fuck is Euro and GBP moving higher? Not only that, take a look here. Dollar pressing lower, beautiful. Euro pushing higher, yes. GBP higher, yes. Let's go. The fuck is happening here? Like, what? It is what it is. Like, there's nothing I can do about this. But at the same time, this is so annoying. Because I can't participate in this. That's why I'm annoyed. Every single time I come here to do it in front of you guys, yes. I want to share, I want to chat, I want to talk. I'm actually happy doing it. No kidding. But at the same time, I'd love to participate in the next market move when it appears, but I can't. Literally can't. This is an inversion, I'm watching it closely now. I'm just trying to see whether the market starts breaking PD arrays that are supposed to hold or push the market in one or another way, you know? I'm trying to understand it. To know what is the next move so we can participate in it. Huh? By the end of the day, this is what we gather here for, no? Not much else. Punish the market. Nice thing, man. Can I name my stream? punishing the market with Ignas from Daily Pips. Let's go, you know? Okay. We got time. I got time. It's cool. We'll wait. We're gonna have to wait those 6 minutes. I very much hoped that 9:45 news are gonna turn the market around, you know? Allow it to start running towards the liquidity on the other side of the marketplace, you know? We didn't get that, which is cool. Yeah, we have another news release at 10. Macro is pushing through now as well, but we're very much not in sync. Yes, it's pushing us a lot lower than in QS, right? Five more minutes. We're diving deep now. Holy. Feels bad. Dollar index is bouncing away after taking that sell side, which is totally reasonable. Like, I can't say no to that. Like, I just gotta be here saying, yeah, okay, sure. Too bad. Because it is in a way, but yeah. Continue power, continue power. 3 more minutes till the session. 3 minutes on MQ is looking interesting. This is heavy. Like, this is heavy, man. Did you guys take anything off today already? Or did you participate in anything so far today? Let me know. Like, I'm interested to know. Anybody took anything away from the market already? Even though if you didn't, just let me know what are you watching, what are you looking for. That's always cool. Let's take a look together to evaluate. Maybe even participate together, why not, right? Two more minutes till 10 a.m. Right, so what do we have? Value gap imbalance here, 1 hour for value gap right down here. So far I have nothing. And I don't mind not having anything, so which is cool. Which is cool. Cool. We've been live for an hour now, right? What have we seen so far? Just this balance price range being hurt. Buy side taking 1, 2, 3, 4 times higher highs created. Failure right away, but there's no entry possibilities like this right here. Nope, thank you. Not doing that. So what do I see now? We have a possibility of an SMT right here. We go through. Oh, we are going through this, aren't we? I'm gonna fall in love with this very quickly. Yeah, not this though. Like that is just. Oh, let's see. We pushed through this. Nope, we didn't. Staying away from this still. Still staying away from this. Again, because the hourly candle closed. It just inverted this. Fuck me. Ay, caramba. 15 minutes for value. So for a proper long to pan out, I need this to get inverted. Like, this hurts. This makes me go towards buy stops resting above, right? Without it, no real interest. The forex is kind of gassing out, starting to consolidate, which is all right. What do we have here? I have a 5-minute opening here, which I'll put to my notes. There's no such thing here, only an old new week opening up, right? 3, 2, 1. Let's see. An hour into the stream, no orders yet. Like I told you guys, I got time. I got the patience for this. I have no interest in taking a short neither, which makes my life a bit difficult. Not gonna lie, it does. But at the same time, what's that? That's dodgy, no? 10:02. Let's see. Pushed it down. What I don't like is that I would love to see bicep resting right above here, right? There's none. So you can't really consider this as a proper manipulation. I'm wishing for it. I'm hoping, right? Why wouldn't I? So we're gonna have to see. We're gonna continue chilling here for another hour or so. Possibly. We'll see. We'll see my energy. I didn't sleep that well that night. Yeah. Surprise, surprise. No kidding on that one. Like literally. And the weather sucks. And when the weather sucks, it's just I'm usually not in the mood to hang out that much. But it's cool. We're going to practice later tonight. Jutsu, just like we do every Wednesday. So we're gonna have some fun there. And yeah, just like we did yesterday. We might even look to trade PM session tonight. Which I'm fine with. Which I'm fine with going for. Later tonight at, what is it? Yeah, at around 1:30 PM, just to see the PM booking the initial, consolidation, possibly manipulating away from it, distributing right after. That would be fun to watch. We do. If we don't, we don't. Won't really matter for me, but if I am able to, I'm gonna let you know on Discord, guys. But so far, I'm not interested in taking a short. There's no reason for me to do so. Liquidity, shitloads of liquidity is resting above the current market price. So that's what I'm waiting for. Sorry, we could have tried to participate in a short with this market crashing lower. We could have. Well, we didn't because of the news drivers today. We had news at 9:45. We had news just recently at 10 a.m. So we just stayed away from it. And stayed away from the marketplace itself also. Macro is finishing in the next 3 minutes. So if the next 3 minutes doesn't provide us anything we can work with, this is gonna become a very boring day possibly. Because usually nothing cool happens if the macro doesn't provide us value. We can't consider that we're creating a low, say intermediate term. low. Not saying a low of the day. I'm not. Short-term low, intermediate term low. Yeah, why not? SMT's at the lows now. It might start getting up there. Might, keyword, might. Watching this inside candle on NQ as well. Bam, inside candle. Huh? Forex still in consolidation. Euro is trying to rip through the short-term high that it created like 25 minutes ago or so. It's trying to rip through it, but at the same time it's just being kept in the range for the last 45 minutes or so. SMT's at the lows again. 1, 2, 3. That's good enough. Like, make a turn now and we can be friends. You know. This is becoming so smooth. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, I think we're gonna hang out here for a while, guys. So ask me questions. Let me know if there's anything you want to learn about the markets today. Any secrets you want me to share? I know something that I can share. There was a question today regarding an order that could have been an entry during a London session. And the question was about the SMT and how to work with it. SMT is happening right now, right? There's lower lows here considering higher highs on NQ, right? It doesn't mean that you should be looking to take a trade because of that. Like, it never does. SMT doesn't mean that you should be pressing a buy button, right? Never does. What it means, it kind of gives you a ring, it gives you a call to start considering the next possible market move. It's an algo showing you its hand that something is gonna start happening soon, sooner or later, let's say. Doesn't call you to take an order, doesn't call you to take a trade. Calls you to start watching it, considering what is the next move, right? So about the trade this morning on futures in terms of a London session, yeah, there was an SMT, yeah, there was an inversion, but I can't say if there was an entry. Because like I said in the beginning of the streams, there's a lot of things that has to happen in the marketplace before I consider even looking for a model, or I even consider pushing a button, before I even consider to look for an SMT or a break of structure or an order block that is gonna push the market higher, you know? A lot of things. That's my issue with, I was thinking whether you should have or you shouldn't have entered a trade in London this morning. Because if there was an SMT, if the question is if there was an SMT, yes, there was. Could you have used it? I have no fucking idea. Because I have no idea what I was looking for during the London session, you know? And for London, I rarely do. I just don't like trading London. Because every high and every low there is kind of a guessing game whether it's gonna be the high or the low for the day, you know? New York is a little bit better for that, so that's why I consider New York a lot more than London. We're opening another imbalance, right? How cool is that? Let's see. Reasonable stop loss on ES if we invert this. Let's check NQ. Not very reasonable. Let's see. Let's watch this. Let's see what's next. We can just continuously consolidate around it and continuously push lower prices like we've been the last hour. I don't mind that, but at the same time, I can't participate in that. Simple. We are having fun. I'm smiling. I'm smiling because of a few things. I don't know, Thomas. Thomas, give me a one if you're in the stream. Watching the ice cream melt. That's true, man. Yeah, it looks like an ice cream melting. Yeah, Thomas. So, no names here because there's no need. But we're setting up a new setup with a certain broker. That I don't know. I don't mind working with any sort of broker as long as they're transparent, right? Asked my questions. I figured out what I wanted to know. Figured out how they do the setup itself, how it moves around, how the order flow is being executed, and so on and so forth. And just like with every single broker actually that I talk to, the setup initially looks alright. They give positive answers to the questions I want positive answers to be given, right? And we make the first with deposits, first clients show up, first test executions happen this week. And kind of yesterday we sit down to start trading properly. Still like in a kind of testing phase because I didn't have a full-on connection done with them yet. So I had to trade manually, which is cool. The order is open, the small loss, which is cool. And then we look at the data. Spreads are 8 times bigger than they're supposed to be. There's gaps opening up in charts that are not possible to be traded for AI. Clients can't make a deposit because the deposit system doesn't work. I tried to log into my own account, it gives just an error because the server is shut off. And just issue after issue after issue after issue, and it's just like, what the heck is going on? Yeah, right? I don't know what is going on, but I feel like we're being lied to, you know? If we are, if we aren't, it doesn't matter. But today I open... this is just mental. I have an order on my MetaTrader 5 terminal now that I'm on this camera. I'm pressing close, like, you see? Nothing is happening. I can't close a fucking order. Thank God there's only $2,000 that the clients put in the account so far. It's not 2 million, but there's an order that I can't close because the broker decided to move us to another symbol set this morning. So we were a symbol set which was like pair dot, GBP dot, Euro USD dot, whatever dot. And now they moved us away from the pairs that are with a dot by the end to just Euro USD regular, right? And I have an order placed on Euro USD dot that I can't fucking close. The fuck am I supposed to do now? Yeah. Then I'm reading the chat, that's why I'm smiling. I'm watching the chart right now. GBP fucking USD is just frozen. The chart is not spinning. The market is not working. Huh? So sorry for me disappearing on you from time to time. But yeah. I'm smiling because I run a broker myself, and dude, if something like this would happen in my brokerage, I would have people standing behind my door yelling at me right now. And for me, it feels weird, but I'm just smiling because it's fun, because I know how much they're struggling now. Because shitloads of stuff is just not working on their end, and they just should be sweating their asses off. Makes me smile. I like to see people suffering. So, greetings to you guys. I'm having fun, am I not? I am having fun. Shouldn't be talking about this. Maybe I should. It doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm having a little bit of fun. So are we going to invert this? Let's see. I'm doing something funny. So, are we gonna invert this or not? Huh? Who's gonna tell me? And if we do, are we considering this as a buy entry? Bum, ba-da-ba. Bum, ba-dum, bum. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum. Kinda like this. Kinda do. But I don't like this enough to open this on a proper account. Eval, yes. Fine by me. Proper account, I don't like this enough. Eval, yes. But not a proper trading account, sadly. Like, I can't. I would love it, but I can't. So, Thomas, if you're here, your model is panning out. I have an inversion plus YouTube 2022. I'm not taking this though. I'm just staying away from this, man. I am. Higher time frame. Let's try to understand, because I would love to participate in it, because retracement is coming at some time, at some point, right? 15 minutes, can't be certain. 5, can't be certain. 3, 2, 1. That's the only possibility, this inversion on 1 minute chart. And this imbalance right next to it. So if it closes where it is trading right now, I'm just taking this off. I wouldn't be interested in participating in it or any longer. Not in this. I'm just looking around at the other charts, other markets. I'm not in this. You see my live account in front of you guys, so this is not good enough for me to take on a live. Very simple. Mm. Mm-hmm. And Q is being held in. Yes, also. Not much movement. Da-da-da-dum. What I would love to see though, like if the market is able to build in. What I was going to say. That I kinda like what is happening here right now because it will allow us to find orders during lunch hour and into PM session. So I'm gonna consider it. I'm gonna consider this consolidation later on today. Like it would be fun if it continues for later stages of today's trading, um leading into lunch hours. 2 hours for lunch, yes. We consider 2 lunch hours. Leading into the PM session later tonight. Hmm. On paper, this is an alright trade to be in. 5 handle stop loss. 5 stops resting above. All good with this. But dude, like I can't. I just nah. No. How boring is this? How boring is this? It's cool. Like, you guys have to realize that days like this is where you learn the most. You build up patience, you build up just good hours without much emotion in terms of looking at the market, looking at the price book. Why I say no emotions? Because you shouldn't have a trade that is open right now. Meaning you should have zero emotions about the market itself here. Yeah. And I think I'm gonna call this a day also. I literally said, guys, not gonna be interested if nothing happens after the macro finishes. And literally nothing is happening so far. Like this, bam, bam. Can't work with that. This, I can't work with this. So I'm gonna say it out loud. We're gonna meet in Discord tonight. Just like we did yesterday, Discord. Later tonight, around 9. I hope around 9. I might stay in the gym for a while today, but bum, 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 bum. Edit event. Let's try not 9. Sorry, 9 my time. It's gonna be, what's it gonna be? It's gonna be 2 p.m. New York time. Let's try to meet in Discord 2 p.m. New York time. All right. Think that's gonna be best. Because otherwise, like, there's nothing to consider for today. I don't like anything that I see here. Like, nothing, nada, zero. No? I won't even consider this. Okay. And with what? And sorry. And with that in mind, guys, I'm gonna wish you a good rest of the day. I'm gonna wish you to stay safe in front of the charts, and I'm gonna wish you good trading. Bye.